2017 Kia Sorento. I want to replace the engine air filter. This is engine air filter box. It's a pull out to open. We have two little piece in the corners. Push it down to unlock the filter. It's unlocked. Slide it out. It's clean. Check the inside. Not supposed to be something inside. Slide it back. Push these little piece back. Lock it. That's it. This is engine air filter. 2017 Kia Sorento cabin filter replacement. Open the glove box. Take it all the stuff out. We have a little piece here. Open this. This is supposed to be comes out. One on this side. Now we have you have to take it after this, squeeze it to this notch and then pull it out. Okay, we can do the same time. You can see the two piece, squeeze it together, and this one squeeze it to these guys together. The other side is too. Squeeze it this, pull it out. This guy is coming out. And then slide it, this is out. I can see they put the wrong direction. This sign is showing the airflow. Airflow, it means coming from top, going on the downside. They put the wrong direction. Have to open it, clean it inside. They did already. Need to replace it, put the new one in, slide it all the way, and put this side and the other side, push it in. It's gonna click. You can pull it out, see that it's properly in. That's it, this is done.